Can you recognize this song from just the first chord? That's right, it's Take On Me by Aha. So today in part one, I'm going to show you the very beginning chords that almost no one knows or plays correctly, plus the iconic synth that lots of people know, but I learned it all by ear and I'm going to share it with you. Let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to show you are the chords in the very beginning. So after the drum begins, in the very first part of the song, you get a chord, and it sounds like this. So a bass line comes in on the B, and then you get this D major 7th, I believe that is, with the D, F sharp, A, and the D flat. And it holds that, and then it goes, so D flat and A, and then it just plays the chord. So two D flats, D flat, A, all while holding that B down. That's the very beginning of it, and it's not that difficult, and that's the kind of the trick. If you can learn that, then you're gonna be off to a good start, and now we'll get into the rest of it. All right, so we're gonna start by showing you the right hand. Now the right hand is the most important part. You don't even really need to play a left hand with it if you don't want to. The right hand is what everyone recognizes. So let's get into it. We're going to start, put your right hand on that's the B minor. And these are the notes that you're going to use. You're going to use F sharp, D to B. 2 times on the F, D, B. Twice on the B, and then E, 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 A flat, A. So it's A, E, D, F sharp, E, and then it repeats. Now it's going to change. This time it goes. So on that third one, you do, instead of coming back down like you do on normal, you just go to the A, F sharp, D, and it goes into the first verse. So let's break that down again. You're going to start on the F sharp, E, E, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Do that again. So third time through, you switch it right here. Okay, so the third time through, it'll switch over because that's when it's getting ready to go into the verse. So again, pause this video, rewind it as many times as you need to. This part has to be practiced. You have to just practice it over and over again. You're not going to learn it in one sitting, but you have to memorize these notes, and you can memorize that right hand first. Then you can, if you want, you can add a left hand to it, which I do when I play especially. Normally I don't put the bass notes. It's in a B, but normally I'll play the chord. It's up to you how you want to do it, but I play the chord. So I'll play this chord first, B minor, E, so it's a B, E, and A flat, to the A, D flat, E, A, D. So I went. So it's a D to an A. It starts over. A, D, A, B minor. Now here's where it switches up. Back to the B minor on the left, to the E again. Okay, so that's faster. It'll sound like this. That last little part on the right hand, you can do if you want. You don't have to, just do this. So when it changes up on that third one, it's going to go to the. So if you do the whole third one over, it'll go. So you notice your left hand just did the same thing twice. Then you're going to go into the verses from there. So again, I'll show it to you on the keyboard what it sounds like. That's it. That's how it sounds on the synth, when you start doing it on there. But you can learn it on any keyboard, and it sounds just as good. All right, that wraps up part 1 of Take On Me. We broke down the very beginning chords that almost no one knows, plus the iconic synth riff that everybody knows. In part 2, we're going to tackle the verses, the chorus, and there's a really tricky part in the bridge that I'm going to show you how to play. Quick note, everyone learns at a different pace. These videos aren't meant to be learned in real time. Instead, pause, rewind, and practice as much as you need. That's exactly how I learned it. So if you enjoyed this, drop a like and let me know in the comments, what did you think of the opening chords? Any other comment that you might have, I'm happy to answer. Song requests are always welcome. I read every comment and I love making tutorials for you. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 2. Keep on practicing.